How to use our portable printer. First, we need to get the last test result to display on our BrakeCheck. Press and hold the menu button on your BrakeCheck until SBR is shown on screen. Press the menu button twice more to get to the last test result for the service brake test, or 3 times to get the last test result for the hand brake test. Now press the Enter button to see the test result. Turn on the printer by pressing the red button. The status light should now be lit up green. Place the printer's infrared receiver in front of the BrakeCheck infrared emitter. Press the Print button on the BrakeCheck. Your results will now be printing. Pull the printed paper towards the bottom of the printer to tear it off. Press the red button on your printer to turn it off. You've reached the end of our portable printer tutorial. Thanks for watching.